everyone, this is BYM the Greatest Man Alive, and today I'm going to be unboxing some unreleased Jordan 1s. Hope you all enjoy. As you guys know, this is my second pair of Jordan 1s, and it's been highly anticipated by me. And I was watching for it to release in America, but there's been no date assigned for its release, and it's only released in Europe and Asia so far. As you can see, there's like a special size tag over here that my other Jordan box doesn't have. So it has a regular size tag over here, but as you can see on my old box from the Bloodlines, there's nothing here. This Jordan 1 is a lot more comfortable than traditional Jordan 1 because it actually is equipped with a full-length Zoom sole, which means I'll be able to wear it around more without it hurting my feet, which is great. Now let's get into the unboxing. Here we go. Oh yeah, I got these from Goat, as you can see right here. Pretty cool. Shipping was great actually. Oh wow. Nice. Yeah, so as you guys saw, I got these from Goat, and they actually came in 10 days, which is great. I was debating on whether getting StockX or Goat, and I decided to go with Goat. I don't know, but it worked out fine, so I'm glad about that. Alright guys, now I'm going to lace these up and cut to a time lapse. Here are the shoes, both of them laced up. Did the other one off camera. The full name is Jordan 1 Zoom Rage Green, or some people call it Zen Green. There's some hairy suede over here in, I guess the color is called Tomatillo Green. And then there's some neon green right here. Cool feature of this shoe is that there's a 3M swoosh that reflects off of the light. Goes all the way around to this side as well. That's one of the features that I like the most on this shoe. And it's accented by some Tomatillo green stitching as well. The only way you can actually tell this is a Zoom Jordan 1 instead of a regular one is that there's a little Zoom tab right here. And also on the tongue, it says Zoom Air as well. As you can see, the shoe comes with two sets of laces. One is black and one is Tomatillo or Zen Green. Black laces are accented by some neon aglets, which is a good touch added to the shoe. The Tomatillo green hairy suede is accented by some black panelings of regular leather, and there is a leather tab in the back as well. The Jumpman is blacked out. It would have been cool to see it with some like neon green, but I think it looks good as it is. One of the coolest parts of the shoe is definitely the sole, which is equipped with some semi-translucent rubber, and I think it depicts like a heat map, and it goes from red all the way to neon or Tomatillo green, which is pretty cool. The reason I was so excited for the shoe to come out is that it features two of my favorite things on a shoe. One of them is suede, and the other is that it's green. Most Jordan 1s are not green, and there's only like a handful that I've even seen before. So it was pretty cool that this thing came out and that I was able to get it, so I'm glad about that. Another feature accented here is these two stitches on each side of the shoe. And I guess this adds sort of an unfinished look, which I guess is a style nowadays with like the off-white and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. Now let's see how this thing looks on foot. Right off the bat, I can tell a difference that the Zoom Air adds to the shoe. It's amazing. It feels like I'm walking on like a bounce pad right now. It's really cool. I just wore some regular Bloodlines today without Zoom, and putting these on, I can tell right away that the Zoom adds a huge leap in comfort level. That's for sure. Now let's get into a 360-degree view of the sneakers on foot. Thank you all for watching the video. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. If you'd like to see my previous Jordan unboxing, then click up here, and otherwise, have a good day or night wherever you are.